The revival of endangered animal species through human intervention has brought about touching stories of the resilience of life and humanity's care for nature. From the giant panda in China to the oriental stork in East Asia, each species has faced unique survival challenges, but thanks to conservation efforts, they have been saved from the brink of extinction. California condor. In the 1980s, fewer than 30 California condors remained. Conservationists captured the last wild birds for a breeding program, successfully reintroducing them into the wild. Their population now exceeds 400. Siberian tiger. The Siberian tiger, the largest of the tiger species, faced severe poaching and habitat loss, with their population dwindling to just 40 individuals in the 1940s. Thanks to conservation efforts, including anti-poaching patrols and habitat protection, the wild population now stands at approximately 500. Giant panda. The giant panda, native to China, faced severe habitat loss and poaching. In the 1980s, their population dropped below 1,000. Conservation measures, including anti-poaching laws and creating panda reserves, helped the species recover. Today, their population stands at about 1,864 individuals, and they have been downgraded from endangered to vulnerable. Saiga antelope. The saiga antelope, native to Central Asia, was critically endangered due to poaching and habitat destruction. Conservation efforts, including anti-poaching measures and community engagement, helped increase their population from just 48,000 in 2005 to over 1.9 million today. American bison. Once numbering in the millions, the American bison population was decimated by hunting, dropping to under 1,000 by the late 19th century. Through breeding programs and conservation efforts in national parks, the population has recovered to over 500,000, though only a small portion are wild. Oriental stork. The oriental stork was once critically endangered, with only 7 individuals left in the wild in the 1980s. Thanks to breeding and reintroduction efforts in China, Japan, and Korea, their population has risen to over 4,000 individuals. North Island brown kiwi. The kiwi bird, a symbol of New Zealand, faced near extinction in the 1990s due to habitat destruction and introduced predators. Conservation projects, including predator control and habitat restoration, increased the North Island brown kiwi population from 1,000 to about 5,000 by 2018. Humpback whale. Once hunted to near extinction, the humpback whale population was reduced to just a few hundred in the 1960s. Thanks to international whaling bans and habitat protection measures, the population has rebounded to an estimated 21,000 to 30,000 individuals. American alligator. By the 1950s, the American alligator was hunted to the brink of extinction. Strong habitat protection laws and captive breeding programs helped recover their numbers, now exceeding 5 million individuals, with the largest populations in Florida and Louisiana. Sea turtles. Many species of sea turtles, including the green sea turtle, have been endangered due to poaching, pollution, and habitat destruction. Conservation efforts such as beach protection, breeding programs, and removing invasive species helped increase their numbers. In Florida, green sea turtle nests have surged from 50 in 1990 to over 10,000 today. These stories clearly demonstrate that humans have the ability to change the fate of animal species, helping them escape the brink of extinction and restore their populations. These efforts not only safeguard biodiversity, but also reflect humanity's responsibility and commitment to nature.